am Mr. X and you are watching the Officer's Brief. Tonight, the Middle East conflict has reached a dangerous new phase. Strikes on nuclear-related sites and US fighter jet reportedly shot down. Is this still a controlled conflict or the beginning of a much larger war? Let's break it down in the next 10 minutes. Israel has intensified its military campaign, targeting Iran-linked positions in Syria and Iraq with multiple strikes. But the most alarming development, reported strike on Israel's Domina nuclear site in Israel. According to emerging reports, this nuclear facility has been targeted. It confirmed this would mark a major escalation and a dangerous crossing of strategic red lines. In response, Iran has stepped up its attacks using long-range missiles, suicide drones. These strikes have targeted Israeli military zones and US bases in the region. Then came another shocking development. A US Navy F-18 aircraft reportedly shot down. The aircraft was operating in the Gulf region and is believed to have been taken down by Iranian air defense systems. At other side, Saudi Arabia and Qatar remain on high alert. Air defense systems are fully activated. The consequences of this conflict are growing rapidly. Military and infrastructure damages, threats to global oil supply, economic instability. Civilians in northern Israel and southern Lebanon are being displaced. Amid rising tensions, diplomatic efforts are quietly underway in Pakistan. Indirect communication between the United States and Iran is ongoing, but the reality is very clear. Trust is extremely low and tensions are extremely high. The coming days will be very critical. Possible scenarios included continued limited conflict, full-scale regional war, a temporary ceasefire, or the risk of nuclear escalation. If strikes on nuclear-related facilities continue, the situation could spiral out of control. This is no longer just a regional conflict now. It has become a global power struggle. On one side, there is Iran. On other side, there is Israel. And in the middle, the United States. One wrong move could pull the entire world into this conflict. Today, the sky over Tel Aviv suddenly filled with thousands of crows, making the area look dark and unusual. The birds were seen flying in the large circles above tall buildings. Videos of the huge flock quickly went viral on social media, shocking many people. Some people online said the strange sight could be a bad sign linked to rising tensions between Israel and Iran. I am Mr. X and you are watching the Officer's Brief. This is not just a war of today. It is shaping the future of tomorrow. Goodbye.